Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to set auto update app on Realme 5 lock screen magazine. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to home screen and lock screen magazine. Okay, tap this. And home screen and lock screen magazine. Okay, scroll down and go to Liwa lock screen section. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the Liwa lock screen. And now here you can see the lock screen magazine. And okay guys, okay, you'll have to do is enable the lock screen magazine by switching on the switch button on the right side. And now you can see here the auto update app. And okay guys, to set the auto update app, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up below are show. Okay, now you can see the option. So you can set the auto update app into over Wi-Fi or mobile network, only over Wi-Fi, or do not auto update. So okay guys, I decide to set the auto update app and to do not auto update. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the auto update app into do not auto update. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.